Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. Today it's Monday, that means Mixed Media Monday, and this is also my first layout with the gorgeous June kits. I started with a stencil, and the stencil is from the May kit, from the color kit, and I haven't used it yet, and so I was in the mood for some stripes, and I'm just going over the stencil with the texture paste. And my assignment or my theme for today is magical powders, or the Lindy's Stamp Gang powders. And once my background is ready to go or dry, I will start to create a gradient, an ombre looking background with 4 different colors. And I will start with the very dark blue color we got in the last color kit, so on the May kit. It's from Lindy's. It's a little shaker powder, and I really love that deep blue color. So now all I'm doing is mixing the colors with a lot of water, and I'm also spritzing water onto my background paper. I wanted to have a very watercolory looking background. I wanted to have all of the colors mixed and blend into each other, and so I'm working with a lot of water today. I have also primed my paper with a thin coat of gesso, and you can see in the dark blue area there's a part where I have missed that gesso, and yeah. But you can see how my background is looking right now. I have also added tons of splatters, and I'm just going over some areas with some more color, and I really love how this one is looking. I love how the stripes are peeking out, or I just love it. So the picture I'm scrapping today is from, let me think, I believe 12 years ago, and it shows my little one with a very dirty mud face, and they were just playing in the garden, and they were just kids, and they had tons of fun with water, and and so I'm scrapping that cute memory today. And this is a gorgeous sticker book from Heidi Swap, and I decided to go with some stickers from that book because some of them are kind of transparencies. I just wanted to use them as a little die cut, and so I will stick them to white cardstock, and then I will fussy cut them out. And this is the easiest way to get stickers around on your page, like a little die cut. Just stick it onto paper and fussy cut, and you can just play around with the placement, and yeah, it's so easy. I'm just going through the book, and I will grab a few of them. I will not use all of them, but I will just have a few of them ready to go. I also stick that sun directly onto that paper, onto the background paper, because I knew I wanted to use it there. And I'm just looking what I want to use. And this layout will be kind of a tone-on-tone thing again, and I can't help myself. It's just so pretty, and I love to do that. And so I'm sorry. No, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I love it. Yeah. So I'm using 2 Project Life cards behind my picture. I'm going with black and white, and with a light mint turquoise tone. And you can see I have done some looking into the other die cuts, and the things I have on my paper are now from Heidi Swap and from Vicky Booten from the Color Kaleidoscope collection. And I did I fussy cut, or I cut off the white big border around that leafy thing, and I just I love it, and I will use it just for more black and white details. These are the stickers from the Color Kaleidoscope collection, and I will now start to work on my layering, and I will use a lot of pop dots here, 3D dots, just for tons of dimension. And I Yeah, you know me, I love it. I love to use dimension on my pages. So the yellow part is already glued down, and now I will just start to work on the other colors. And I wanted to bring in some movement, and for that I'm going with these banner things, and I will do something like a little crisscross. I will have them on the left side, and I will also place them peeking out on the right side. And yeah, this is just helping to balance out that design and yeah. Now I'm popping off the other stickers, and I decided to use that triangle with looking good, and I will have that on the left side, and I will also use a second cloud from the Color Kaleidoscope collection. And now I'm just gluing down the little bits and pieces. I will also go back to the Heidi Swap sticker book, just because I wanted to bring in some more of the black and white little sayings, and I will do that with just some more stickers. Now my title, and because I did not found a lot of dark blue elements, I decided to place my title in that area, and so it's the perfect spot for that. Yeah, sticking that one down, and then I will glue down the, oh no, I will add his name, and I'm using the Heidi Swap stickers for that again. And yeah, they were just perfectly matching the color. So but next to that, I am nearly done. I will bring in 2 more black and white stickers, and then I will also use some of the Amy Chenderine hearts you can see on the left side, and for sure some journaling. Yeah, and this page came together very quickly, or pretty quickly, once the background was done. That was taking most of the time, just because of mixing and drying and looking and just having fun. Yeah. So the hearts are done, and now I will grab my ruler and a pen, and I will place my journaling on the right side from the title. And yeah, I am done. I am done. You will get a close-up in a second and some final pictures at the end. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this process. And yeah, thank you, and I wish you all a great day. Bye!